Started a new month after finishing one of our warmer Aprils on record. We started your month of May. It's actually hot. Temperatures well into the 80s, enough humidity you're noticing it out there. That is your St. Joseph Health weather bug camera located at the Lexington Center, so Triangle Park there in the foreground. You can see the flags wafting nicely there at the Hilton. And kind of a gray veiled sunshine we've got out there today. So what we're looking at, MaxTrack starting to get busier. Oaks and Derby, good news, bad news. We'll get to that in a minute. Sunday, hey, weather does get better as the day goes on. It may not start well, but it'll finish pretty good, it looks like. Low 80s for the last couple of days, low 80s again tomorrow. Then we start heading down as we head toward the weekend as temperatures go below normal. Bluegrass Airport, we're at 83. It's a windy day. Southwest 14 gusting almost 25 miles an hour. So you look around, temperatures are hot everywhere you go. You've got the 81 in Frankfort, 84 in Richmond, 80 in Jackson, Somerset, London each at 81. Plenty of heat to be found out there. And now we do have some storms to talk about. MaxTrack Live Doppler showing them from southern Indiana back into the western part of Kentucky. One isolated storm over there by Bowling Green, part of a larger area of storms that runs from western Kentucky down through middle Tennessee into Mississippi. Look at all those storms down there in Texas. Lots of tornado warnings up for those folks. As we've watched the motion of these over the last few hours, you can see there is a push eastward now. We're going to see a lot of these, though, I think, dissipate out before they get here tonight, although for tomorrow, you are looking at the risk of some severe thunderstorms. That runs essentially from Lexington north and west. So we're looking at the potential for some large hail or damaging winds from this. It's not a huge chance, but it is there. High pressure continues to hold sway down to the south. Front remains quasi-stationary to the north. We've been watching waves of low pressure traveling along it. Tomorrow, the next wave begins to come in. As it does, rain and thunderstorms will begin to increase around the area. For Thursday, we'll see those exit off to the east. Next wave, and this is the one that we have been telling you about for Friday, Oaks Day, going on into Saturday. For Oaks Day, rain does not look to be all day long. There will be dry hours mixed in there on Friday. Saturday could be a little different story. So as we look ahead through the hours on Saturday, rain begins to increase as we go through Saturday morning. Get you into the middle of the day Saturday, rain continues to increase. In fact, it's even now more north and west than what we were showing you yesterday. And some of this rain may try and come down at a pretty good clip as we approach Derby time on Saturday. What I wanted to show you here real quick was, we'll get into the early part of Saturday. Yeah, there's rain certainly accumulating, but from 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock, watch those numbers leap up. So the potential is there for some locally heavy rain on Derby Day Saturday. Last Bills Weather 101 of the year. Pick-A-Dome Elementary in Lexington. What a wonderful group of 5th graders. So again, we thank those kids for today's Bills Weather 101. A few thunder showers around, especially late tonight. We'll be in the low 60s. Variable clouds, showers and storms tomorrow. Could be a stronger storm, and there will be around 80. We continue then to Friday. Low 70s for Oaks Day. Off and on rain. Rain chances are better Derby Day with temperatures near 70. The rain is early Sunday morning. And of course, Sunday afternoon will be terrific.
Of course it will.
Of course it will.
Hey, how many of those have you done?
This year, we're somewhere between 30 and 40.
Wow, that's a lot.
It's fun, though.
I know it is. All right, Bill.
All right.
For you. Yeah.
Yeah.
For all of us.
Yeah, we'd like to think the kids do, too.
Let's hope so. Thank you, Bill.